Everyone, Garrett here from Code the Web. Welcome back to another video. This, I guess, is like the third video of the year, or something like that. But anyway, in this video, we're going to be talking about this question that I got right here, basically asking, is it okay to use WordPress when building a website? And the short answer to this question is yes. It's definitely okay to use WordPress when you're building a website. But I think we're asking ourselves the wrong question. Instead of saying, can we use something, right, something being WordPress in this case, the question we should be asking is, based on our project's needs or the client's needs and the goals of the project, what makes the most sense to use? What technologies, what practices, what things can help us to accomplish this goal and accomplish these needs or satisfy these needs? So if WordPress does that, then use it, right? So every project has different needs, every project has different goals, things like that, right? So for example, if the client wants to make a blog, or if the client wants a website that they can update by themselves, change the content, right, without having to deal with the code or without having to call you first, then maybe something like WordPress is important to them. Or maybe something like WordPress makes sense for you to use in developing that website. If you don't need something that is as robust and capable as WordPress, and as also a heavy piece of software like WordPress is, if you just want the CMS features and the updating features, but you want a lighter weight CMS or whatever it is, then don't use WordPress, but you don't have to code it out yourself. You can use something like Wix or Weebly or Squarespace or whatever else. There's a ton of different website builders out there that you can use that can help you with this, that will satisfy those needs and help you accomplish those goals. Now, there's two things I want you to remember whenever you go to build a website. One, the goal is not to just code things, right? You're not trying to sell them on a website just so you can code something else and get more practice, which is important. Practice is important. But you're not trying to just code something so that you can add it to your resume and just be able to say that you coded this. The goal is to actually find the best solution for what your client needs or what you need if you're building it for yourself. If that leads you to using something like WordPress, then use WordPress. If that leads you to something like coding it yourself, then code it yourself. And if that leads you to using any of the other plethora of CMS options out there, then use those CMS options. The second thing I want you to remember is that there is no shame in not coding a website. The most important thing that you're doing is you're creating a solution or a website that solves your client's problems, that helps them accomplish whatever it is they want to accomplish. Your goal is not to build a not so great site that you get to say that you coded because you coded it. The goal is to build something that can really, really help your client or you do whatever they want to do. So remember those two things. There's no shame in not coding a website. And remember, the goal is to not just code things, it's to actually build a good solution to a problem, right? Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe, comment, rate, like, whatever. And yeah, I will see you guys all next week. Take care. Peace.